In this video, I'm going to show you how to attach a previous email to a new email in Outlook. Now to do this, there's actually a few ways. I'm going to show you all of them. The first one, likely the easiest, is going to be to simply forward your email. So for example, I'm going to use this email as our example. You want to either click on the email and then click on this forward button here, or you want to go and right click the email and click on forward from within here. When you do this, you want to select who you want to forward to, and as you can see, the email is kind of going to be forwarded or of course attached below this line over here, okay? So just like this, up top you can go and of course type in your contents, and then in here is the email you actually want to attach. That's the first way to do this. However, it may not be the most convenient. So let me show you two more ways you could do this. The easiest one likely is going to be to simply drag and drop your email. So if I go and click on new up top, I can just simply type in the recipient and the subject and my message, and then to basically attach a previous email, I can simply click any email and then drag it in here like this, or I could also go and select multiple like that and then drag them in there. That's also very possible, okay? So whenever you do this, this is going to allow you to essentially attach an email like this. So as you can see, my email has been attached. I can just drag and drop it, and it's attached as an attachment to my email. That's also possible. But then of course you could also put it in like as a file. So for example, if you have a few emails saved on your computer, so if I right click on this one, for example, and go and save it as EML, for example, or MSG or whatever, I can go and save it into my downloads folder like this. And now I'm going to go new, and I'm going to click in here, go to link or attach file up top. And when you attach file, you can browse your computer, you can find your file, and then you can click on it, open, and that's also going to attach it like that, okay? So those are kind of all the ways you have. I think that's going to be sufficient for you. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.